What's up, you guys? Welcome back to my channel. So glad to see you back. I hope you guys been blessed. So let's get started, you guys. As you can see, this is a Pixie. This client is fairly new. The very first time that she came to me, she had more of a Kelly cut. And so I did like a brief consultation with her, as I would do with any new client. And I asked her if she wanted that whole mohawk Kelly cut look. Because the reason I asked her that is because she's more conservative. And so I thought maybe she may not want that whole mohawk look. And so I asked her and she was like, you're absolutely right. I didn't really want the mohawk look. I didn't really want the Kelly cut look. So I cut it down to in the back to a regular Pixie cut. This is Paul Mitchell Super Skinny Serum. And if you can see that she has like a burgundy, like dark reddish tone to her hair. I asked her if she wanted to try that color and she said yeah, so we did that. Now I'm putting some Kenra holding spray on there, which is just a light spray, and I put the serum. The serum, you guys, it helps the flat iron to glide whenever you're curling the hair. So that's the purpose of the serum. So now I'm just making some row curls, just going down in a row, just curling. I'm on TikTok, I'm on Instagram. And you guys, I hope you continue to show your support, which I appreciate it, by following me on TikTok and Instagram. So I'm just putting these curls just straight down in a row, like I said, row curls. Now, sometimes it's so many different ways, you guys, to mold. And sometimes the way I mold, I don't have any parts. Sometimes I do have parts. But even if you have parts, which you can see, it's still ways to cover the parts up just by the way you place the curls and where you place the curls. So you guys, it's fairly easy, very easy actually, to subscribe with me. All you have to do is scan the QR code that you see and it's going to take you to my home page for my YouTube channel, and then you just have to smash that subscribe button. So thank you in advance for subscribing, and all you guys who are on here following me and supporting me already, thank you so much. So let's just continue to watch while I continue to curl her hair, you guys.
People make time for what they want. You can keep it moving if you wanna. Take a number out your phone if you're gonna. I ain't even gonna strip, I ain't mad. I know how to act. You won't even catch me talking trash. I could get it poppin' if you want it. Have you looking over shoulders real haunted? But I'd really rather take a step back. Time's moving fast and it's already healing my scratch. People make time for what they want. So if you ain't gonna call me, then don't front. You ain't gotta lie or waste my time. Plenty people still around me think I'm fly. People make time for what they want. So if you ain't gonna call me, then don't front. You ain't gotta lie or waste my time. Plenty people still around me think I'm fly. I ain't gonna sit around waiting for you. Got a million other things I gotta do. Got a gig and a script that I'm taking my time with. Then I got signers, publishing got me thriving. I can't let a flake come and kill my mood. Don't even say a thing, don't act a fool. Ain't no need for arguments, I get back to my shining, back to my grinding. You're ruining my timing. People make time for what they want. So if you ain't gonna call me, then don't front. You ain't gotta lie or waste my time. Many people still around me think I'm fly. People make time for what they want. So if you ain't gonna call me, then don't front. You ain't gotta lie or waste my time. Many people still around me think I'm fly. I'm in your head, I got you feeling guilty. Your word is flimsy, nothing you say is real, see. Before I was stupid, I stay up and lose it. Was making excuses, I thought it was ruthless, but had to go through it. I had to learn how to see it myself. Now I got the experience under my belt, so don't hit up my cell. You can give it up, pack it up. You and that selfish love, go and bother someone else. People make time for what they want. So if you ain't gonna call me, then don't front. You ain't gotta lie or waste my time. Plenty people still around me think I'm fly. People make time for what they want. So if you ain't gonna call me, then don't front. You ain't gotta lie or waste my time. Plenty people still around me think I'm fly. I let it slide. Let
So you guys, I hope you're enjoying the video so far, and I'm gonna pop right back in here. And then you guys, her front hairline, when she first came to me, in my opinion, the stylist, not to bash or badmouth the stylist, but with her front hairline from ear to ear being really fine and thin from, she said, from wearing braids, I would have left that bang area a lot longer so that I could cover up. Now, this is not her first visit to me. She's been to me several times now. So her hairline around the front perimeter from ear to ear is filling in now. But when she first came to me, her bang, to me, it was a little bit shorter than what I would have had it. Because there's ways to kind of camouflage thinness, fineness, hair loss, and all that if you use the hair that's there and you just leave it, leave the length where it needs to be. And so in my opinion, you guys, the stylist cut the bang a little bit too short. Again, it's grown now because I've been doing her hair a while, but I would have just left it a little bit longer.
I want that sweet life, I want that fancy life. I don't want live a fast life. Oluwa ba mi ṣe o, go jẹ́ kí n go rere o. Say na your hand it dey o, they make you bless my way. As I know relax so, whoa whoa yeah, make I no carry last o. Baba, as I know relax so, I dey beg o yeah, make I no carry last o. Orí ya mi jọ máa sùn, ẹlẹ́dàá mi jọ máa sùn.